Hi, thank you for joining me tonight. My name is Siti from Smart Excel. Thank you for taking your time to join us. Okay, as promised, tonight we're gonna do these P3 whole numbers. Alright, chapter topic is whole numbers, question 5. We get this question is the compilations from our e-workbook that will only be available by end of this month. So at the moment we'll do some of the questions that is here. Alright, okay, let's begin. Every time we want to do questions, we need to read through the question first, right? There were an equal number of students in classes 6A and 6B. After 8 students transferred from class 6A to class 6B, there were now 36 students in class 6B. How many students were there in each class at first? Okay, so now let's do the model. During my class, I would like to share the three simple steps that I do to that I teach my students in order to draw proper model. Alright, number one is to have or to identify the subject. The subject here refers to what they talk about. Alright, in these questions just now, as you can see, they're more talking about the classes that is in 6A and 6B. Alright, so that's a subject they talk about. Okay, the students in 6A, 6B. Therefore, it's two subjects, right? So two subjects means you need to draw two models, right? So the number of subjects will determine the number of models to be drawn. Number two, what we need to do is to label. Okay, we label the question. So whatever information that you can see in this question, we're going to label inside the model later. And lastly is to have the question mark. Okay, alright, so let's read again. They says that there are equal number of students in 6A and 6B. Alright, after 8 students transfer from 6A to 6B. Okay, they transfer. Now there are 36 students in 6B. How many students are there in each class at first? Alright, so how do we do this? So in terms of model, we're going to draw two models, right? You have your 6A and you have 6B. And you're going to draw them equal, like this. Okay, then so this first sentence is done. After 8 students, okay, transfer from 6A to 6B. So there's 8 like this, where you're going to transfer to B. Okay, so this one no more. And now the B become 36, like that. Alright, they asked you how many students are there in each class at first. So the question mark will be at first, which is this part, isn't it? Okay, this is the question mark that will be. Alright, so we are done with this statement. Alright, so how do we do this? So we can see exactly that this and this are the initial, right? And here to here is 36. So we just need to take the 36 with minus of the 8, this one, which will give us 28. Okay, that's it. That's how we get the answer for this question. Alright, it's simple. It's just one step model. Okay, one step, but the understanding has to be clear. Therefore, drawing model does help our child to understand the question better, so it's easier for them to solve it. Alright, so I hope this video is useful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.